we're just going to do one quick example of dividing with scientific notation. So as you can see, we have basically two numbers here, right? Each one in scientific notation. So 9.3 times 10 to the fourth is 1. And then we're dividing by 3.8 times 10 to the fifth. Now, these can be difficult, at least in my opinion, when they're written horizontally. So the first thing I like to do with these problems is rewrite them vertically. So 9.3 times 10 to the fourth, divide is the same as a fraction bar, 3.8 times 10 to the fifth. Now, this allows me to focus more on each piece. So when we think about this problem, we are going to start with the non-10 to the number, right? We're looking at the number out front, the number between 1 and 10 with the scientific notation. So if I take 9.3 and I divide it by 3.8, I get 2.44736, and it just keeps going on and on and on and on. We'll come back to that in a second. And then when I work on my times 10 to the, right, remember when we are dividing with the same base, right? So same base of 10, we subtract the exponent. So 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Now, we don't want to leave that first number with a bunch of random decimal places. So I'm going to go ahead and round to 2 decimal places. So this is the second decimal place, nearest hundredth. I look one place past. 7 tells me to round up. So 2.45 times 10 to the negative first. And that would be, dividing in scientific notation,